Hello children, welcome to today's session. Before going to the lesson, just observe these words carefully. Now, divide these words as positive values and negative values. Example: good, kindness, respect, truthfulness are positive values. Then negative values are bad, cruelty, disrespect, fast food. Okay, children, I hope that now you understand the meaning of values. To know more about this, let's go through with the lesson Wealth and Values. Before that, let's know the meaning of new words. Lavishly, too much. Eventually, in the end. Gradually, slowly. Embraced, hug. Desperately, out of control. Introduction of the lesson. Here is the story of a rich businessman, Mr. Balaji, and his sons Gagan and Rahul. Gagan always helped his father and was a very responsible boy. But Rahul was very irresponsible, always enjoying his time with his friends. Scene 1. Mr. Balaji's palatial house. Rahul: Father, give me my portion of the property. Mr. Balaji: Oh dear, what's make you ask for a share in the property? Gagan: Why, Rahul? Why do you want your share? Aren't we happy together? Rahul: No, Gagan, I need my share. I want to visit places all over the world. I do not want to explain things to everybody. I want to be independent and happy. I am asking for my share and not your advice. Rahul collects the money and goes away. He wastes his money spending lavishly and leads a luxurious and wasteful life. He visits places all over the world with his friends. Eventually, he turns into a poor man. He begins to feel the need of money again. His friends do not want to be with him. Rahul goes in search of them, but no one helps him. He wanders about desperately and lives in utter poverty. Gradually, Rahul realizes that even the servants enjoy better facilities in his father's house. He decides to go back home. He is advised by his father's friends to go back to his father. Rahul goes back to his father. His father sees him coming. He embraces him joyfully and takes him home. Scene 2. Mr. Balaji's palatial house. Rahul: Father, I have made a mistake. I do not deserve to be called your son. Make me one of your servants. Father: Oh, my beloved son, I am so happy to see you back home. Forget what has happened and begin life afresh. Mr. Balaji calls his servants. Mr. Balaji: Bring Rahul the best clothes you can buy. Decorate his finger with a ring and get good shoes for his feet. Make a delicious meal and let's celebrate his return. Rahul falls at his father's feet. Father, I am sorry. Please forgive my foolish behavior. I have realized that money alone cannot bring satisfaction and happiness. Mr. Balaji breaks down. Stop, my son. All I can do is thank God for sending you back. At this moment, Gagan comes home. He notices music and dancing. Gagan: What's happening? You are all happy and enjoying yourselves. Servant: Your brother Rahul has come back and your father is celebrating his return. Gagan gets angry and does not go in. Mr. Balaji comes out. Mr. Balaji. Gagan, come in. Rahul has come home. Come, let's join the feast. Gagan angrily. Dad, all these years I've served and obeyed you, but you did not hold a feast for me with my friends. And now, Mr. Balaji, son, you were always with me, and all that I have is yours. But your brother was lost and has come back to us. I have never missed you any time. Shouldn't we forgive your brother as he realized his mistakes? To err is human, to forgive is divine. They say, and that is how I feel. Gagan thinks for a while. He sees joy and happiness on his father's face, which was not there earlier in Rahul's absence. He controls his anger. Yes, father, I see joy on your face. I understand the importance of forgiveness. In forgiveness, there is happiness and peace. I understand what you say. Brother, welcome back home. Now it's grammar time. Let's learn the present continuous tense by watching this video song.
What are you doing?
I am jumping.
What is he doing?
He is jumping.
What are they doing?
They are jumping.
What am I doing?
You are jumping.
We are jumping continuously. ING. What are you doing?
I am sleeping.
What is he doing?
He is sleeping.
What are they doing?
They are sleeping.
What am I doing?
You are sleeping.
We are sleeping continuously. ING.
Now it's time for homework. Write about the importance of forgiveness. Change these sentences into present continuous tense. I write my notes. The leaves fall from the tree.